up guys, Nakul here from Nasdaq. In this video, we'll give a detailed review of iWatch Series 3 which I've been using since last 6 months. Without any further delay, come let's get started. As you all know guys, this is called digital button and this is called power button. So starting off with the screenshot, you just have to press the digital crown and power button simultaneously to get a screenshot as you see here. As soon as you take a screenshot, you will get a haptic feedback with a snapshot sound. All screenshot will be saved to iPhone Photos app as you see here. See the screenshot which I captured right now has appeared in the phone. It only works with iPhone. Yes, you need an iPhone for this to even set it up, and the major drawback is that it doesn't even work with iPad or any other stuff like that. When it comes to design, it's a classier one. Now let's get into the watch. It's smart as you can see. When I remove the watch from my wrist, it get automatically locked itself. Come let's have a view on it. See, the watch get locked itself. As you can see, the watch is locked now since I removed it from my wrist. So let's unlock it and get into that. I kept a dummier one. As I swipe up from the bottom of the watch, it gives me access to the control center where I can see do not disturb mode, flight mode, torch, and this bell icon represents, if I enable that bell icon, it keeps the watch in a silent mode. When it comes to torch, it has two different types of color where the intensity of the color increases and enables us to see the objects near me, and the other one is red. As you can see, the intensity of the color is increasing. From that, it has a water eject mode. Coming to the battery, this is the one thing that I am really impressed because it lasts for about 2 full days. I am saying this because I am using this watch in 6 months, I guess, and I charge once in about 48 hours. So I am really impressed about its battery life. As you see here, guys, you can even enable power reserve mode. Enabling this mode makes this watch typically like a digital watch, called as digital crown and a power button. As you can see, pressing this digital button takes you to the apps interface as you see here, and pressing back on the digital crown takes you to the watch face, and this is called power button. Pressing this takes you to the recent apps which you are using behind. As you see here, these apps can be cleared by swiping to the left and clear. By this way, you can clear all the apps that are recently used. As you see here, we can turn off the Apple Watch by giving a long press on the power button for a couple of seconds. As you see here, guys. Here you can power off the watch, or you can give emergency signal to the contact which you have been seeing through your mobile or iWatch, and to go back, just press the digital crown. So basically, this digital crown acts like a home button to this iWatch. When it comes to physical part, it has 2 speakers as you see here, and 2 microphones and a heart rate sensor, and it comes with a 42 aluminum body. In this watch, we can call directly through it, as you see here, guys. See here, guys. See, you can dial the number whichever you want and just call them, or you can call through recents, favorites, or contacts. But the major drawback which I personally witnessed is the voice is not so audible, but this thing is manageable. Come, let's discuss about the best part about this watch, that it has a inbuilt Siri configuration which works very well. Come, let's have a look into it. Now we'll ask some questions to Siri and check its accuracy level. Hey Siri, what's the weather in Mysuru?
It's currently partly cloudy and 32 degrees.
Come, let's ask the next question. Hey Siri, what's the atomic number of oxygen?
The atomic number of oxygen is 8.
From this, it's clear that the Siri gives the accurate answer and catches the words properly. Since the watch has a built-in navigation and GPS property, the roadmap for any of your required location can be seen through watch itself by giving commands to Siri. So come, let's get into it. Hey Siri, Set a roadmap for Bangalore.
Head west on 10th Main Road, then turn right onto 24th Cross Road.
See the roadmap for the Bangalore has been arrived on the screen of the watch. The best part is that we can set alarm by giving voice command to Siri. Let's have a look into it. Hey Siri, set an alarm for 5 o'clock.
Okay, here's your alarm.
As you see, the alarm is set for 5 o'clock. When it comes to fitness tracking, it has a lot of features involved in it. Some of them are it has tennis, outdoor walk, outdoor run, and indoor cycling, open goal, and indoor walk, indoor run, and some of the other sports activities included. To know the summary of what amount of calorie gained, calorie lost, so as separate heart rate monitor. It's not working right now because it has to be in your wrist for it to work, and it automatically calculates your heartbeat, and it is pretty accurate, I would say. It also has separate heart rate app where it actually tracks the heart rate and gives you an idea. I don't rate this watch in terms of sleep tracking. Before that, I will show you the heart tracking heart variant app. As you see here, it gives the all health data where you can see active energy burnt, resting energy steps, and but in health aspects it does its job very well. You can also have this activity app which actually shows the activity of the day since you started using it. Watch Series 3 has the new chip which is called S3 dual core chip, and this is the one more thing I really liked on this watch is it's very fluid, and there is no issues while working. As you see, there is no issues while working. I say this because I reply to all my WhatsApp messages via this. Let me actually show that. Let me reply one of my messages in a notification bar. As I swipe down, there is one message. You can reply to it by voice message, or you can scramble whatever you want and send, or you can there are some canned messages like hello WhatsApp, on my way, okay sure, no problem. These are some of the canned messages for urgent replies, but I personally suggest you to use voice message because it catches the words properly. If you mount your iPhone to a tripod or a stand to take a family pictures or a group photo, you can use your watch as an primary remote. So come, let's have a view on it. So guys, as soon as I open camera app on an iWatch, it opens as well in the iPhone. So come, let's capture some photos and videos. So guys, as I said earlier, this watch can be used as a primary remote. So as you can see guys, so you can capture a photo by clicking on this. You can also preview the photo which you have clicked. So next we can also capture a video by taking a long tap on it, so it can also be seen through this. We can also zoom the photos which I have clicked, as you can see. So that's all for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Please do like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. And please be tuned for the next one. Thank you. Have a nice day.